Hi guys, Xbox controller time again. Hopefully this is just a mechanical problem this time. One of these is not, yeah, that one goes in all the way. That one's jamming. So I'm hoping it's just something out of alignment, rather than having to take it, having to do any soldering again. Right, we'll take the battery out just for safety, so I don't accidentally damage anything. So remember it, we just want to use the spudger. It would be nice if this is simple and just something out of alignment that we can get back in place. It goes all that way, that stops short. Oh, I can see it. Oh dear. Oh, wait a minute, that might be... Oh, that beeping noise is the battery I've just charged up. That just there, I think, is where I was working on it before, and somehow or other that's dropped inside when I've been tidying up. Oh dear, Grandad. That bit of green in there shouldn't be there. This is like a surgeon's left a knife in somebody's operation. There. That's one of the bits I desoldered. Is that out of focus? That's in focus. How on earth has that got back in there? It must have stuck to something. I've picked it up and it dropped in. Oh, how silly. I can't believe that. This is when I took apart and desoldered the, whatever we call it, under there, which was a terrible job. I hated doing it. But somehow that has ended up in there. Oh, how silly. And that's all it was. Just get it out the way. Fixed. Well, that's a relief in that it's an easy fix. I can't believe that. How on earth did that end up back inside? Well, that was quick and easy, I hope. We won't know it definitely worked till I get it back to my grandsons so they can test it. That comes from the side of there. That's one of the replacements. We got the original in there. Oh, that must be the original. Yeah, that's the original. So I've desoldered it, and somehow or other that's ended up back inside. Sloppy work, Grandad. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.